All right, welcome back to All for Taste. We have another energy drink for our energy drink project. Looking at all the energy drinks, trying to find the best tasting ones. And there's so many. They keep adding more and more and more. There's always a new brand or always a new flavor. Let me pull out of here. Of course, as I always say, do as I say, not as I do. Don't drink. Don't drive and talk or do videos. But anyway, this one is C4. C4 is the brand, I guess. It's the C4 Ultimate Energy. C4 Ultimate Energy, zero sugar. So there we go. And the flavor is the Arctic Snow Cone. Woo, that ought to be good. Hopefully it sounds good. It says 3 times Tri-Stim Experience, whatever that means. Okay, Tri-Stim Experience says, buckle up, 300 milligrams of caffeine. Woo, 300 milligrams. That's pretty, usually 200 is about the average, I think. It's also got something called T-Crine and Dynamine. It's the ultimate triple threat. So, okay, we'll see if this wakes me up. Supercharged energy. He says C4 Ultimate Energy is supercharged to go hard. Sorry, I'm driving and got this condensation. It's hard to read. Says, just like you, crack one open and get after it. Okay. Bold flavor says, feel the cool rush of frosty berry and citrus swirl, together with a thrilling hint of tart for the ultimate flavor experience. Good, good, good. That sounds good. By the way, like it says 300 milligrams of caffeine. Like it says, 0 sugar, 0 synthetic dyes. Sorry, condensation's hard to read. 1 can says calories 5, total fat 0, sodium 0. Wow, no sodium in it. Usually sodium's way up there too. This is pretty good. Total carbs 0, total sugars 0, protein 0, potassium 280 milligrams, niacin 30 milligrams, B12. It's got B12. Okay, so let's see. Ingredients: carbonated water, malic acid, taurine, potassium citrate, caffeine, whatever that says, sucralose. Okay, so sucralose is the sweetener, which, I'm not sure if that's a great thing. I think it was, they always said it caused cancer in laboratory rats or whatever. So luckily I'm not a laboratory rat. So it says T-Crine is registered trademark, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say what it is. I was hoping it would say what it is. But anyway, I guess we just pop this thing open. Cool colors, by the way. Nice, really, really light blue with the black. Looks very nice. We're going to pop this thing open. I don't have a glass or anything, so we can't really see what flavor. Oh, but it did bubble up, and it's clear. It's completely clear. A lot of carbonation. Let me smell that. Yeah, a little berry smell. That's one thing I had. What I had yesterday? Bombsicle or something. I forgot what it's called. And it had no smell whatsoever. It looks like this. Slight berry. I can smell like a little berry smell, but very, very slight. All right, let's go ahead and drink this thing. It's already kind of bubbled up over the top of the rim here. A massive flavor. By the way, that tart, yeah, you get, that first little sip of something tart gets you right there and kind of, oh, I got it. So it's very tarty. That's a word, tarty. Not tarty as in late, but very full of tart. Good though, but it is kind of a citrus taste too. I do get it. Almost like a tang or like an instant type of orange, not a true orange juice, more like an orange drink type of flavor, but it's got a little tint of berry also. That's good. That's good. And at 300 milligrams, that ought to wake me up pretty good. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. These things, by the way, energy drinks now are getting expensive. Now, this is, I'm going to say it's an off-brand. I don't know. It's C4. It's not like Red Bull. It's not Monster or Rockstar. But this sucker here at the convenience store, $3.50 for one of these things. Of course, you can get deals. You buy 2 for $5 or something like that. But Jesus, man, these things are expensive. Of course, everything's expensive. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.